Hi friends and welcome to another video of Just Being Earnest. In today's video, we are going to talk about things that you must prepare or have before traveling overseas. Whether you are traveling solo, with friends or family, these items are must-have for any trip. The first thing that you should consider while packing is a comfortable backpack or luggage. Choose the size of the bag according to the length of your trip. A small backpack or carry-on luggage is perfect for weekend trips or short journeys. However, if you are traveling for more than a week, then go for a large luggage or backpack. Always choose a bag with good quality materials, comfortable straps, and enough space to carry all essentials. One might think of buying a cheap bag since it's not often one goes for traveling, but imagine while traveling and the wheels on your luggage fall off or the straps of your backpack breaks. How troublesome would that be? Next, let's talk about the essential documents you must carry when you're traveling. Always carry a valid passport, travel insurance, and visas if required. It's a good idea to make photocopies of your documents and keep them in a separate place in case you lose the originals. Also, do carry some cash, bring your credit or debit card, and a list of emergency contacts. For me, I will often apply for a new credit card to be used overseas. This is to prepare for the event that even if these credit card details are stolen or fraud transactions occur, I can simply cancel this overseas used credit card. You can check out the link below for credit cards that you can sign up for from SingSaver, which is currently having promotions for getting a credit card through them. The next important things on the list is clothing. Always pack clothes according to the weather and destination that you are traveling to. If you are traveling to the cold region, then you must pack warm clothes, and if it's a hot region, then pack light and comfortable clothes. Always carry a jacket, a comfortable pair of shoes, and a hat or cap to protect yourself from the weather. Sport shoes are the easiest choice to have when traveling since you are expected to be walking a lot. Another essential item to pack is a first aid kit. It's always better to be prepared for emergencies while traveling. You can pack some basic medicines like painkillers, antacid, and anti-allergens. Also, carry some band-aids, ointments, and insect repellent. You will definitely not want to be like me when I went on a hiking trip to Nepal and had no medications prepared. Luckily for me, I had my relative and tour guides who prepared such essential items. If you are a technology lover, then make sure you carry all your gadgets like smartphone, cameras, chargers, tablets, and power banks. Always carry an extra battery and universal adapter to charge your gadgets. A pair of earphones is also a must-have for long flights or train journeys. For me, I prefer to bring at least two portable chargers when traveling. The reason is, if I'm outside, I can bring one with me while the other portable charger is being charged in the hotel. And when I'm at the hotel, I can also continue to use my phone and charge it with the portable charger and not be wired down by the PowerPoint plug location. Lastly, don't forget to pack some entertainment items. These include books, magazines, and travel games. And this will keep you entertained during long journeys and you will not get bored. For me, I have two phones. One is for communication and normal use, while the other phone is for entertainment and games. Besides playing one phone for games and the other phones for communication, having two phones allow you to have a backup phone and also to prepare for the situation if one of your phone gets spoiled or stolen. In conclusion, these are the things that you must carry or have while traveling. Remember to pack light and also pack smart. Make a list of all the essential items that you need before packing, and then make sure that you have all your important documents on Google Drive and take photos of all the things that you will bring for your overseas trip. You can also consider using Trello, which is a helpful way to have a checklist of what are the things you must have when traveling. I hope you learned something new today, and as always, do remember to make smarter financial decisions every day. Have a great day ahead, and bye bye.